In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Fiverr account. If you're looking to explore the vast world of freelance services or offer your skills to a global market, getting started on Fiverr is a fantastic step. So, let's dive right in and get your account set up. First, you'll want to head over to fiverr.com, and once you're there, take a look around the top of the page. You'll see a button labeled Join. This is your gateway to all the opportunities Fiverr has to offer. Go ahead and click on Join to get started with the sign-up process. Now you have a couple of options on how you want to continue. You can choose to continue with Google or continue with email. For today's purpose, we'll opt for the ease of linking your Google account, so click on Continue with Google. This option is not only quick, but also seamless if you're already logged into your Google account. Next, you'll want to choose your preferred username. This is an important step because your username is how clients and freelancers will recognize you on the platform. Try to choose something professional but also reflective of the services you offer, or it could simply be your name for a more personal touch. Once you've set your username, it's time to activate your account. To do this, head over to your email inbox and keep an eye out for an email from Fiverr. This email will contain a verification code. Enter this code on the Fiverr website to confirm your account. This step is crucial as it ensures you're using a valid email address and also helps secure your account. With your account activated, congratulations are in order. You now have your very own Fiverr account. The journey doesn't stop here, though. Now, you can begin personalizing your profile. This is where you showcase your skills, experience, or the services you wish to offer. Take your time to fill out your profile thoroughly. Think of it as your online resume or portfolio. Whether you're planning to hire someone or become a seller yourself, a well-detailed profile can make a huge difference. That's pretty much it. You're now set up and ready to explore Fiverr's vast digital marketplace. Feel free to take some time to navigate, explore different gigs, and start engaging with the Fiverr community. Whether you're here to buy or sell, there's an exciting world waiting for you. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials. Happy